The Department of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with Outlook magazine, hosted the Indian Responsible Tourism State Summit and Awards 2023, the Meghalaya chapter, yesterday on World Tourism Day at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. The event aimed to recognize and celebrate individuals and organizations dedicated to promoting responsible and sustainable tourism in Meghalaya. The summit featured various award categories showcasing stakeholders' commitment to sustainable tourism practices. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo expressed his enthusiasm for the winners' dedication to responsible tourism practices.
And I think that deserves all the plaudits we can get. Just think of the day when Compound Village is recognized at the national level. 2 weeks back, the Honorable Prime Minister of the country visited Meghalaya store in Delhi and saw for themselves the various weaving, the vineyards, and spent some time in it.